Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up tap and click sounds in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation, slide up here, go to the settings, next go to the sound and vibration. Scroll down, and then down here we're gonna see the tap and click sounds. This option is in my phone is enabled. You can disable it. The bar is gonna be gray. When you click on it, it's gonna be orange, and it's enabled. Yep. So in this case, you're gonna hear the sound after a tap and click of your phone. Yep, that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.